This is Activity 2.1 on page 50, Creating Worksheet Formulas. The file we'll be working with in this activity is titled New Product Income. Develotech plans to introduce 5 new products. Company management wants you to analyze the projected sales figures to determine how much the company can plan to profit from the new items. You have entered the sales estimates into an Excel worksheet. Now you must use Excel formulas to get Excel to perform the calculations for you. So I'm going to start by opening up my file. From my desktop, I'm going to launch my Excel application. Remember, if you don't have it on your desktop, you can always hit your Start menu and select it from your list here. From my landing page, I'm going to select Open Other Workbooks. Click my Browse button. I'm going to navigate to my home drive by selecting this PC in the left-hand column. Scroll down, find and double-click my home drive. Remember, first initial, last name. We are in Excel Part 1. And this is Lesson 2, which is titled Performing Calculations. And again, the file we want is New Product Income. I'm going to select that and click Open. Remember, if you get the yellow protected view bar, just click Enable Editing. Number 2 says to calculate the sales before tax based on the sales estimates for each product. We're going to select cell B8, so that's the sales before tax, and we're going to add cells B2, B3, B4, B5, and B6 together. So remember, we start with an equal sign, type B2 plus B3 plus B4. And you can see the colors are matching up as I type. It's highlighting the cells in those specific colors. Plus B5 plus B6. And we're going to hit Control and Enter to stay on cell B8 and calculate that sum. So letter C in number 2, verify that the sum of the values in the range B2 through B6 is displayed in BH, which we have 392,738. Number 3, calculate the non-taxable phone fees. That's 5% of the phone sales. We're going to select cell B9. And we're going to multiply the total sales for phones. So that's B3. We're going to multiply that by 5%, which is 0.05. So again, start with an equal sign. We have B3, which is our phone sales, an asterisk, and 0.05, and again hit Control and Enter to stay on that cell. So we get 5,480. Number 4, calculate sales with tax, making sure not to tax the phone fee. We're going to select cell B11. And we're going to take the difference of B8 and B9, so that is the sales before tax and the non-taxable phone fees. We're going to subtract this from this, and then we're going to multiply it by the tax rate of 8% and also add the sales before tax. So that's equals, we're going to do an opening parentheses, B8 minus B9, closing parentheses, asterisk for multiplication, B10 plus B8. Hit Control and Enter, and we get a result of $423,718.64. Number 5, subtract expenses from sales before tax to calculate the estimated profit on the new product sales. We're going to select cell B13, which is our profit, and we're going to take sales before tax and subtract our expenses in B12. So that's equals B8 minus B12. Control and Enter to stay on that cell, and we get $310,758. And then lastly, we're going to do a save as, so we keep our original practice file intact. Go up to File, Save As. We're going to save our file to our current folder, Performing Calculations, and we're going to update the name to My New Product Income. Click your Save button, and you can see in your title bar that the name of the file has updated. And we can close out this particular workbook. File and close. And we're going to leave Excel open for our next activity.